What's going on, everybody? We are back with TradeUI, showing you one of their tools that you can use to give yourself a trading edge, and that is understanding and utilizing insider trading. So when people think insider trading, they think somebody's got an edge before the market moves a certain direction or before a certain stock moves a certain direction. Well, you'd be 100% right on that. Somebody on the inside has an edge because they know either what's about to happen with the company or what's going to happen in the next few weeks with the company. So this is a powerful tool you can use for swing trading to give yourself a good competitive advantage and take advantage of awesome market opportunities. What we're going to do is utilize TradeUI's Insider Filings tool, which is located right here under Insiders. It brings this page here. It talks about the timestamp that the trade got posted, the ticker, the owner's name, the insider title of the company, what type of trade they took, and it shows you different things such as the cost per share, the number of shares, and the total value of the trade. What we want to do is focus on the total value of the trade and the insider title. What we want to do is give us a range. It'll give us about 3 weeks right here. And then we're going to look for buy transactions. Now what we're going to do is see who in the company is buying these shares. So I'm actually going to filter it by title, because I want to see the CEO or the president or chief financial officers buying these shares. So we're going to start off with that. And we're going to get rid of all these 10% owners, and we're going to get to the good stuff. And let's see, 10% owner, 10% owner. Lots of 10% owners are buying. Let's see. There we go. Now we got the CEOs, CFOs. Actually, what I like to do is I want to see CFOs because the chief financial officers tend to know the good stuff. So let's go to CFO if we can find any. A, B, C, D, E. A lot of CEO directors. There we go. Chief operating officers, chief legal, the chief financial. These are the guys you want to see buying the shares. So now we want to go from here. Looks like right here. Where's chairman? Chairman, there we go, right here. All right, sorry it took a second. So now I want to look for large purchases in this area below. I see $500,000 right here for $1 penny stock. I'm not really worried about that. Let's see 100,000 for an $11 stock. That could be one we could look at, which is SHYF. Let's see here. Ooh, $5 million for SMMT, Chief Operations. That's a penny stock though, like I said. If you're a penny stock guy, this might be something you could look at. I'm personally not, so I'm not going to worry about that one. KDP though, $211,000 worth, 7,000 shares for around 30 bucks a share. Let's see. So let's backtrack this by going here and typing in KDP. All right, so we had one purchase go through. Yeah, I like to see a lot more usually. However, we can look at and see what's going on. So if I go here, KDP, let's see what's going on. Actually, if you look, the charts actually ran up since that insider took place. Looks like it was a purchasing opportunity after earnings, which is something you always have to remember, right? They get an opportunity to buy these stocks right after earnings. When they run the company, that's compensation for being at that level. But there's actually no resistance at 32. It looks like it's already getting there, so you could see it touch 32 here in a second, or I'm sorry, the next few days. However, let's look for something else because KDP I'm just not a big fan of, and I think that was page 4. There we go. So let's see if we can find one more opportunity here, and this is why you always got to backtrack everything. NEOG looks interesting, 151,000, $15 a share. Let's see, NEOG. So we got two different ones. We got a director and the chief operating officer buying around 15 to 16. This is very interesting, so let's look at it. NEOG. Okay, so this is a great opportunity to swing to the upside. So probably a purchase after earnings. However, if we go here, looks like they just missed earnings, but you had two different people buying into it. If we track this day for 10/10, yep, if you can, oh, let's see, that's the 25th of November. This is way after. So when this happens, if it's not right after earnings, this is actually where they bought later on. So this is an opportunity you could look for the upside. So if it's not a day or two past the earnings date, you can assume that they're buying on a bullish direction to the upside. So in this case, we consolidated down, so we broke up past the consolidation, and we could actually see a run to about $18 here. So on a small stock like this is $2 a share. $2 on a $16 stock. Gonna get my calculator. I can't do math that quick half the time. Let's see. So if I do 2 divided by 16. That is a potential 12.5% return to the upside. Solid support, solid resistance here at the 18 if you look at previous levels in the past. Looks like we are testing this $16 level, but the fact that they're buying at this level tells you that this is a very bullish indication to the upside. If they were selling at this level, this is something we don't want to look at. However, since they're buying close to a strong pivot level, that is something you want to look at as a buying opportunity. So guys, I know this video is getting a little bit longer than normal for what we do, but in about 5 minutes we were able to explain what this is. I can't show you that today. Let's see. We were able to explain what this is and show you just how you can use TradeUI's Insider Tool Trader to give yourself a trading edge. If you found this stuff beneficial at all, please go ahead and check that link in the description below. Sign up for TradeUI. We have a trial out there right now that you can utilize to give yourself that trading edge. This tool is great for pros, great for newbies, and great for anybody who has any interest in the market. We're going to end the video here. Have a great day.